Yeah, so let's talk for a few minutes just about marketing. At Transworld Business Advisors of Bel Air, we pride ourselves in everything that we do in marketing, not only from the very first step and the confidentiality that goes into every deal, but some deals like the one here at Fair Hill Inn that we're at, we market the name because the seller wants to and because of what's involved in the prestige of that name and what it carries. So we can go everywhere from confidentiality all the way up to make it known to the whole world. And that includes even things like when we list a very confidential listing, we have to disguise it. We have to make sure that we give all about the detail of the business without hopefully anybody being able to figure out what that exact listing is. But then there's times where we want to go the complete opposite way and shoot drone videos. And Jess, can you talk to them about the drone videos and kind of how that serves in our marketing efforts?
Yeah, definitely. One of the best ways that we can help showcase a listing is by doing a full walkthrough video where we showcase and highlight every single part of the property inside and out, especially having a drone fly over, not just the property, but the surrounding areas. We believe at Transworld, if you are not excellent, you're invisible. So from every step of the way, we give all our very best when we market properties and listings.
Yeah, and so again, to you, what's important in trying to select the right broker to work with, when you work with us, you're getting a company that not only is with the brand that is the largest in the world, Transworld, 40 years, over 10,000 plus businesses sold, we're the biggest and the best, but because we run the local franchise and own the local office, we know the market, we know, the character of communities, we know everything that's going on, and we can do anything from just basic all the way up to high-tech drone videos, whatever is required to get you the traffic necessary to sell your business for top dollar. That's what we're all about. And for the buyers, guarantee you that we will work with you in a way that things are not hidden. We do everything with integrity. And what we say at Transworld is good deals for good people. So if we can find two good people trying to pull off a business deal and it seems to work, we can get it done for both parties in a way that's a win-win and people can feel good moving forward in the future.